What's up, everybody? So today we're doing something a little different. Decided to hop in the car at about 3 o'clock this morning and come on down here to Florida, and we're over here at Adam LZ's open house, sitting in line waiting to get in. All kinds of cars rolling around all over the place. There's probably going to be like a lot of loud music and stuff, so I don't know how much audio I'm going to be able to get, but I'm just going to kind of walk around and show y'all what's happening here, and hopefully you can get a couple of good clips of some stuff. All right.
Look at this van.
It's kind of hard to get a good shot of all these cars. So many people around, but let's keep walking around, see what we can find. Alright, here's LZ's warehouse. See if we can't get in here and see anything. See, there is a ton of people.
Who's here to watch
All right, well, we made it out of the show. Walked around everything. I think we saw everything. Maybe missed some of the people's cars that are over here in some of the side parking lots, but it's pretty crazy. A little bit of everything here. Really crowded, so I'm not exactly sure what all I filmed, but hopefully it's all right. Hopefully y'all liked it. But see you next week for another one. Back in our shop, working on our Hondas. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.